Welcome! In this video, we will explore the main features of the application and see how Paspartoo helps you manage doors, access rules, locations, and schedules in a clear and structured way. We will walk through each menu and explain how they work together to give you full control over your access management system. Let's start! Doors. The Doors page shows the complete list of doors registered in the system. Each controlled door requires a key light device. Purchased devices automatically appear in the Doors list and are ready to be assigned. This is the central view where you can search, review, and manage all doors quickly. You can use the search bar to filter doors by ID, name, room, location, or any visible column. The Actions menu provides additional options depending on your permissions, such as exporting data or performing bulk actions. Each row represents a door and displays key information like its unique ID, name, assigned room, location, and current status. Only doors marked as active can be used in access rules. The Edit column opens the door detail page, where you can manage rules, logs, schedules, and permissions. You can also see if the Tanda feature is enabled, when the door was last updated, and by whom. This page helps you keep all door information organized and immediately accessible. The Door page shows all information and access rules for one specific door. From here, you decide who can open the door, when it can be opened, and how activity is monitored. At the top, you define the door name, description, room, and status. If the door is inactive, it is ignored by the access control engine. You can enable Tanda to record time events when the door is opened. Buttons like Details, Map, and Logs give you quick access to additional information and activity history. If your permissions allow it, you can also send an immediate open door command. The Rules section defines access rules specific to this door. Each rule specifies validity dates, who receives access, the schedule applied, holiday exclusions, and whether remote opening is allowed. Below that, the Doors Groups Rules section shows inherited rules coming from door groups. These rules apply automatically only if the door belongs to a group. At the moment, this section is empty because the door is not yet part of a group with configured rules. We will configure this shortly. The All Users with Access section lists every user who currently has access to the door, including the source of that permission. On the right side, charts and logs summarize recent access events in a clear and visual way. A green indicator means access was granted. A red indicator means access was denied. A blue indicator shows the door was opened remotely by an operator. Once we are done, we can press OK to return to the Doors list. With the appropriate permissions, an operator can open doors directly from the map, ensuring quicker and more intuitive supervision. Doors Groups. The Doors Groups page allows you to organize doors into logical groups such as entrances, offices, or warehouses. You can define a group name, location, description, and status. Only active groups can be used in access rules. In the Doors section, you add one or multiple doors to the group. You can edit or remove doors at any time, and the system tracks who made the last change. The Rules section defines access rules that apply to all doors in the group. These rules are inherited automatically by every door in the group. Door groups are essential for simplifying access management and reducing duplicated rules. Now let's see how this rule applies to the entrance door we saw earlier. Now we can see that all employees have access. And below, we see the complete list of their names. Employees groups. The Employees Groups page lists all user groups available in the system. Groups help you organize users by department, role, or function. You can search groups using the search bar and access additional options through the Actions menu. Each group shows details such as name, description, owner, region, and status. Inactive groups cannot be used in access rules. Two default groups are already available: all employees and all users. These groups are ready to use and do not require any changes. If your organization needs additional groups, you can create them by pressing the New button. When you press New, you can define a custom group for your company. Enter the group name, add a description if needed, and select the application where the group will be used. If required, you can activate the IT team option or allow the group to be visible in all applications. You can also specify a group email, set the team level, choose a region, and assign an owner to the group. Make sure the status is set to active, then press OK to save. Groups are commonly used to assign door access, manage permissions, and structure your organization logically. This approach ensures consistent access control and easier administration. Scheduled access. The Scheduled Access page defines when doors can be opened. Schedules are reusable time profiles applied to access rules. These schedules allow you to precisely control access times based on shifts, roles, or operational needs. Some schedules are already pre-configured, such as always, weekdays, and work week with specific time intervals. These default entries are ready to use, but you can edit or delete them if needed. Each schedule has a name, status, and last update information. Only active schedules can be used in access rules. You can create schedules like always active, weekdays only, work hours, or custom weekly patterns. If you want to create a new schedule, press the New button. You can enter a name, define one or more time ranges, choose the days of the week, and set the status to active. Once the schedule is saved, it can be assigned to doors, door groups, or users according to your access rules. Locations. The Locations page lists all physical sites where your organization operates. The list contains a default location, which corresponds to the address of the account created in the Ticiservice portal. Each location includes name, address, city, country, and an optional map file. The map is used in the Doors Map view to display door placements visually. Locations help structure buildings, rooms, and doors in a consistent and scalable way. This is especially useful for organizations with multiple branches or sites. To create another location, press the New button. Here you can enter or modify all the required details: the location name, the country, the city, the street address, the postal code, and the state or province. If you have a map or floor plan, you can upload it in the Location Map field. This map can later be used in the Synoptic view, allowing an operator at the reception to open doors remotely using the mouse or a touchscreen if available. Rooms. Rooms help organize doors, roles, and permissions. A room represents a physical area associated with one or more doors that can be controlled by the system. To create a new room, press the New button. Enter the room name and select the corresponding location. You can assign a color to the room to visually identify it in the Synoptic view. This is especially useful when managing multiple areas or large buildings. If needed, you can also add additional details such as the floor number and the door number. Make sure the status is set to active, so the room becomes available in the application. The Show All for One settings option should be enabled only if the room is shared with all for one for booking purposes. Once all details are completed, press OK to save the room. To create additional rooms, simply press New again. After creation, rooms appear in the list and can be used in access rules and scheduled access configurations within the Doors section of Paspartoo. Finally, let's explore the Statistics section. In Statistics, Paspartoo gives you full visibility over all access activity across your organization. You can choose a custom date range, or quickly switch between predefined filters such as last week, last month, the last 3 months, year to date, or last year. You can also drill down even further using advanced filters. You can focus on a specific user, a group, a department, a single door, or an entire door group, allowing you to analyze exactly the data you need. The dashboard includes several charts: accesses count by room, accesses count by location, accesses count by door, and granted versus denied events. These visual insights help you identify trends, usage patterns, and possible irregular activities at a glance. Paspartoo brings together doors, users, schedules, and locations into one unified access management system. With clear rules, visual maps, and structured organization, you stay in full control of who can access what and when. Thank you for watching this overview of Paspartoo main features.